Well, hello and welcome everyone to Kenny Bear's Arms. Today we're taking a look again at the Foxtrot mic FM15, and after some troubleshooting and stuff like that, I decided to start with the basics and simple stuff. I took this whole thing apart, field stripped it and stuff like that, and here, let's do this. Get that bolt forward, and I guess the weird thing is I still don't know exactly what the problem was, but the only thing that I swapped out on this thing after I kind of went through it and made sure everything was installed correctly, that the hammer spring and the trigger spring and all that stuff. The only thing that I guess I could tell, and see, now this was super stiff. I could barely get this to come out when I first got this platform, and then I noticed, it was making some light strike hits and stuff on this FM15. And it was, it sometimes would fire off one round and then just that would be it. It'd pick up another run, but then it wouldn't the reset and drop the hammer again and nothing. So for whatever reason, my brain decided to tell me, hey, let's take a firing pin out of a known working AR that I had. So I got my Aero Precision AR that runs really well. And I grabbed the firing pin and took that out, put it in here. I went back to the range with it, and all of a sudden it was cycling perfectly. And zero issues, no light strikes, no failures to feed, no failures to fire, nothing like that. I mean, the only thing I had really was a failure to fire. Like it was feeding and cycling and stuff just fine, but I don't know why I couldn't get it to fire. And so that's the only thing I changed on it, was that, the firing pin. I contacted Foxtrot Mike and went through their troubleshooting and kind of went over this whole platform with them, and just kind of, that's kind of what I guess, I don't know. They didn't obviously get to look at it or see anything, but I'm guessing maybe I just had either the firing pin was just ever so slightly out of spec or something like that. I don't know. Or B, maybe me just going to the range, having that trouble, taking it apart, like everything, taking everything apart, going through it, the upper, and cleaning it up and everything, and just starting fresh and everything. Maybe that helped. I don't know. Maybe it was literally just the firing pin. I mean, that's the only thing I swapped when I did this, between that one video and then this video, was just the firing pin. And now it runs really well. And I'm back to loving this platform again. So I don't know. I guess if you have this platform and you're like, hey, I'm having some weird issues, or it was just really weird too, because like everything about this platform, like out of the box, was super stiff, and just the charging handle to function that and stuff was crazy stiff. This thing, I had to have like a little rubber mallet to bash this thing out to get that to drop out. And I don't know, it was just weird how everything on this upper was just crazy stiff. Now the charging handle seems like it moves really well. So I guess it just, maybe this rifle just was really tight out of the factory and just needed some good old fashioned range time to, I guess, open it up and get it to run. Other than that, I really absolutely love this platform. I got a new primary arms optic on this thing that I'm going to try out now, and got my Streamlight light on here. Pretty sweet. Some Strike Industries foregrip here for extra ergo. And yeah, that's about it for this thing. This thing's got also a crazy, crazy muzzle brake. Like, when you're shooting this thing, you can literally see, and like it's crazy, because I almost feel like I have to fight this thing to keep it up, because this muzzle brake, when I shoot it, it just dips it so low. It's like a freaking bull or something like that, with its horns just, I don't know. So far, really happy with this platform. I really like it. I got that Larue trigger in here, which is super light, crisp, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna keep running this platform. I really, really dig it a lot, and yeah, I really enjoy it. You guys, yeah, Foxtrot Mike, still one of my. I really like their stuff, man. They have some cool, innovative products, and I'd happily recommend them to you guys. Yeah, thanks, Foxtrot Mike, for I guess helping me troubleshoot this, even though I don't think we never necessarily came to a conclusion per se. But oh, I gotta adjust that rear take. Whoops. Oh, well, that was an interesting thing there. Anyway, you guys, take it easy, be well, and I'll have to adjust this angled foregrip here because it looks like the M-lock is not in the right spot. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Take it easy, be well, bye.